Hi guys, Tom Blodger from Jende Industries, and today I'm going to show you how to properly shave arm hair. Everybody goes through and they take their arm hair, and they just shave the whole damn thing. So they take the here and they just shave everything down, right? And they quickly run out of arm hair, as you can see. So the trick is to, on any knife, what you can do is find, I find that the place right here in my hand. I don't know if the camera's going to pick this up, but I try to find one spot, one hair, or one or two hairs, and see how it just popped off? I'm not sure if the camera's picking that up or not. But I'm able to go along the blade and find one hair, and it just literally popped off. Now this is because the knife is sharp. Obviously if it's not sharp, it's not going to do that. So I don't have to shave everywhere. So here's the tip again, and that just pops off. So this is a way to save arm hair and leg hair, and you'll notice I have a full, arm and legs are all good. So for years now I've been safe, and I've just got bald patches on my hand here because I just check one or two hairs at a time. I don't go and do the whole patch like that. So a way to kind of cut down on the manscaping there. Okay, good luck.